Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 75 Hazlemere Road in Seasalter. A brilliant location here within only a short walking distance away from the seafront. This extended detached family home offers everything to a beautiful, modern and contemporary standard, giving you the perfect turnkey option to move straight into and enjoy. We've got 4 bedrooms, 2 reception rooms and a 25-foot open plan living space. You've got the modern bathroom and separate shower room and utility space, ample off-road parking and the garage there as well. So having come through from the main hallway at the front, we've taken a look at the front reception area there and that downstairs shower room and utility space, and to the rear we've got that beautiful open plan kitchen, dining and living space. Lovely amounts of light coming through with that half vaulted ceiling as well, beautiful flooring adorning the ground floor of the property as well, and beautifully decorated again to give you that perfect turnkey option. Kitchen itself comes with a full range of fitted appliances as well as space for further white goods. We've got a lot more to take a look at with today's property, so we're going to head upstairs very shortly, go through and take a look at the 4 bedrooms and the wonderful views that you've got from the windows there as well, and then we'll head out into the rear garden, take a look at what we've got there and recap a few points on the property. So we're just wrapping up the tour of the first floor here at number 75 Hazlemere Road in Seasalter. Fantastic amount of bedroom space up there with those 4 bedrooms and of course the main family bathroom suites as well. Heading back downstairs and through the open plan living space to the rear and into the garden, a wonderful space beholds us here. Really lovely open garden. Fantastic distance of course to the seafront though, so you're going to make full use of that too. So just to recap a few quick points on number 75 Hazlemere Road in Seasalter before wrapping up today's video tour. This is of course an extended detached family home with 4 bedrooms, 2 reception rooms and that 25-foot open plan living space to the rear, modern bathroom and separate shower room, utility space, ample off-road parking and the garage, and a short distance away from the seafront. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.